The year of our Lord 2024 has been a very inventive year. It wasn't an easy year, but at the end, it was a great year for us. About this time last year, when in a very not pleasant mood for fear of what might happen because of the boasting of those people who believe that they control life. Little did we know that, like they used to say, it is not the person who even goes to police that usually win case. Now maybe when they start investigation, the case might turn around. And our case was not different from that. Midway, God started showing himself. In fact, yesterday or this morning, I took a very special song. You know, every year I used to bring, before this time, I used to say, Jesus say, it used to be my inspirational song. But this year, I want to take this song as my inspirational song. When, in fact, the lyrics go this way, it goes this way. When God, who can say no when God has said yes? Who can say no when God has said yes? Those musicians, now that you're supposed to sing, you won't sing.
When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus said yes, nobody can say no.
And that is the truth about life. When it declares it, no matter what any man, no matter the kind of power that you even feel you have on planet Earth, it is only his yes that stands. So we'll continue to put our trust in the yes of Jesus and God. Like I said, it has been a very wonderful year. We had our losses, we also had our gains. But the most important thing is our gains surpasses the losses. So we can boldly say that the year of our Lord 2024 was a good year for this state and a year of our Lord again, 2025, with his strength, with his support, we are going to build on the gains of last year. We are going to make sure that we continue to protect the life of our people and provide the required services in our state. We are not going to lower our guard. Rather, we will put our tax higher, because what is speaking for us today is the achievements that we are making in the face of distraction. So that will be our own way to tell the world that no matter what is happening here, that we mean well for the state and we know what we're doing. I know it's not going to be easy. You know, God also used to keep evil people to live long so that they will continue their evil. Not that he doesn't know what to do, but the activities of the evil people also keeps the righteous people awake. Because if there's no evil, you won't be doing prayer and fasting. So what is happening is we'll continue with our prayer and fasting. Knowing fully well that at the end of the day, when he has declared our own yes, our yes will continue to stand. So let me thank everyone, the big, the small, for your support last year. And also solicit for more support this year. We are not going to do it alone. We have not made these gains alone. Whatever win we have today, it is not myself. It is the government and the support we receive from every one of you. I can't pay you back. You're doing what is right for your state. It is our state. At the end of the day, it is our state. We're building a better future for those people that are going to take over after us. That is my own dream for the state. It's not about the power and what we do today, but sustaining a system that will be on its own, that every one of us can stand and be proud of, that we have a state. And I strongly believe that because of our desire that we want to build not our supermarket, not our hotel, not, you understand, but to build a state, there is no way we will not succeed, because our interest is not self, it's a collective interest of our people. But like I always say it, we're not bothered about what they will come with, but God will always have a way to save us from them. They are going to come, but don't worry, we're equal to the task. I want to thank, honestly, just allow me. It's my day, SIG has said its own. APAC has said its own. Chief Abiyasaga said his own. Now allow me to say my own too. I want to thank specially, honestly speaking, these leaders here. From Sir Dr. Peter Obi, Sir Senator Mbata, Sir Austin Okpara, Pastor Prince Uche Secondus Lee, Ape Sekebo. I want to thank them. You know, a lot of you don't understand what is really happening. This is not to say that we didn't have people that were with us, following us, fighting. But one of the trouble that they have where they are today, where is the face? They don't have any face there now. You know what I mean? The beginning and the end of politics in this state is Sir Dr. Peter Obi. And if he's sitting with us here, dining all this night, and with these ones, my brother, what do they have there? Is it the Eleme people? Or which one? No, that is the truth. So this is the right face, the right image, the frontiers of River State. And when I look at this other side, who are they? men and women that have distinguished themselves are sitting with us. It's not contract people that they bring to come and eat dinner. These ones are people who have contributed in several ways to make River State what it is. So this night, the first day of this year, I want to thank all of you. Continue to support us. We appreciate what you're doing for us. We cannot get there alone. If we have to get there and strong, you have to support us and come all out. So let me thank you and also assure you that this year is going to be a year of more achievement. By second week of February, we'll be embarking on commissioning of projects. This time around North Road, our fire services, you can see what we're doing there. For over how many years now? Over 8 years or 9 years. We don't have a functional fire service. But today, I can proudly tell you that we have bought all the vehicles, we are remodeling the offices. Let us also not pretend. Yes, there are a few things that they will say they did. The most important thing, which is education, education is the only thing that can help us remove our youth from criminality and crime. We are behind. Go to our primary schools, they're shadows of themselves. We're following, you can see the provision we made in our budget. We will make sure that education is given that required attention in this year. The issue of health, you know what our achievement there, but we're not going to lower any standard. Rather, we're going to spend more because you have to be alive to work. Even if you overwork, you also need the hospital to get yourself back so that you can continue. So health is also another area that we're giving all the attention. So I assure you that we are doing what we know is right. We're doing those things that you can stand anywhere after our administration and defend us that our decisions were right in our time. We also make sure that we protect the integrity of this state. No matter what it's going to cost us, we will make sure that we'll continue to, we won't allow anybody to take this state for a ride. It doesn't matter the approach I'm going to use. I'm not going to use fight. No. We'll follow it just like the way we followed the other one. They started begging. Imagine people who said, on your mandate we stand. It's the same people who came back to say, we're no longer there. You almost crucified me that time. Hey, I said, don't worry. Now small, they catch monkey. So don't worry. By the time we got to the point, I didn't know they were shouting. So we'll use our own style and follow it. And I assure you, nothing will stop us from not achieving the purpose of governance in this state. Let me, on behalf of my family, the state, wish you a prosperous new year. New year that will be better than the one we just exceeded. And also assure you that your welfare will continue to be the most important thing in our agenda. Let me, therefore, wish every one of you a happy New Year. Thank you, and may God bless every one of us.